Actually, our today's topic is the range of projectile motion as we can see here. But before we get into our discussion, we should discuss what does the projectile motion actually mean. Actually, projectile motion is a two-dimensional motion under constant acceleration due to the gravity. Two-dimensional motion means it has the two components, one of which is the x component and the other one is the y component. Or we can say that projectile motion is such a motion which is taking place along both the components. And constant acceleration due to the gravity means the acceleration produced in an object being projected is only due to the force of gravity. There is no any other factor which is contributing in acceleration of the projectile motion after ignoring the force of friction. Now let's discuss what is meant by the range of projectile motion. Actually, range of projectile motion can be defined as the maximum distance that a projectile covers in horizontal direction. Now, if we talk about the formula of the range of projectile motion, then its formula is R is equal to Vi square sine 2 theta over g. Here R shows the range, Vi shows the initial velocity, and g shows the gravitational acceleration. Here we can see that Vi and g are bolded, which shows that these are the vector quantities, not the scalar quantities, and they need direction for their complete description. Now let's discuss its mathematical derivation. Here we have the range r of a projectile is equal to the product of horizontal component of velocity and time taken by a projectile to hit the ground, means the time of flight of projectile motion, which we have discussed in the recent video. So we have r is equal to Vix cross t. This is the first equation. Here R shows the range of projectile motion, Vix shows the horizontal component or x component of velocity, and t shows the time of flight of projectile motion. Now we have to make some changes in this equation in order to make it applicable for the derivation of the formula of range of projectile. Our first point is the horizontal component of velocity is Vix is equal to Vi cos theta. Our second point is the time of flight of projectile motion is T is equal to 2Vi sin theta over g. Now putting them in equation number 1, we have R is equal to Vi cos theta cross 2Vi sin theta over g. In the next step, we shall have Vi square 2 sin theta cos theta divided by the g, and 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to the sin 2 theta. So finally we shall have R is equal to Vi square sin 2 theta over g. So it was our discussion of today. I hope you would have benefited from our discussion. If you have any question, then here is my Instagram ID physicsinsight7189. Feel free to ask any question here. Please like my video, share my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also give me your precious feedback in the comment section. Now I will see you in our next discussion. Till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.